Yes, the question is already. Find the volume of largest circular cone that can be cut out of the cube of edge 7 centimeters. 7 centimeter edge గా కలిగిన ఒక క్యూబ్ లో నుంచి లార్జెస్ట్ సర్క్యులర్ కోన్ కనుక కట్ చేస్తే దాని వాల్యూమ్ అడుగుతున్నారు. క్యూబ్ ఇలా డ్రా చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్యూబ్ డ్రా చేసుకుంటే మనకు ఒక అవగాహన వస్తుంది. దిస్ కెన్ బి క్యూబ్ ఆఫ్ ఎడ్జ్ 7 centimeters. This is a cube of edge 7 centimeters. In a cube, all sides are equal. Therefore, length and breadth and height are the equal. All are having 7 centimeters. All are having 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. This will be height. This will be breadth. This will be the length. Okay. Now we have to calculate what is the volume of the cone, which can be largest cone, which can be cut out from this cube. Okay. This cone is having 7 centimeters as edge. This is the top of the cone and this is the base. Okay. Now that figure will be, I am arranging this one. Just observe like this. I am arranging this total. You can be understand clearly. This is the total figure. Okay. After the drawing of this total figure is like this. Okay. From the edge of cube 7 centimeters, we are going to cut the largest cone from this cube. We have to calculate the volume of this cube. Now, the volume of the height of the cube is, this is the top of the cube, top of the cone. This is the height of the cone. Height is h, which is equals to height of this cube equals to 7. Why? Because largest cone stands for height is equals to edge of the cube. Okay now. Next, what is the radius? This total length will be equals to this total diameter of the cube. Therefore, diameter equals to 7. This can be written as radius equals to diameter by 2, 7 by 2. Now we have to calculate volume of this cone. Okay. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone 1/3 into pi stands for 22/7. R square stands for r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h stands for height is 7. Okay. 7 get cancelled. Now we have 2 ones, 2 11s. On simplification we get 47 7s are 49, 49 11s, 49 11s, 539, 539. On the denominator we have 3 2s are 6. Okay. We have 6 sides are 48. 48 we can have 5. 59. 6 9s are 54. 5 carry. 5 carry. 6 8s are 48 again. Centimeter cube. Okay. This is the required answer. The volume of the cone which can be cut out from the volume of the largest cone which can be cut out from the cube of edge 7 centimeters. This is the answer. Thank you.